Assembly script for Teachers' Day. Hello, dear students, with a cup of hot smiles, golden glory of this morning is on the air. Honorable Principal, most respected teachers, and my dear friends, it gives us pleasure to welcome you all on this much awaited magical Teachers' Day. None of us can deny that mother gives birth, but a good teacher gives life. If someone asks me to define teacher that suits our language, then I would like to define it like teachers, a multitasking educational rock star who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. Today we all of us assembly here to acknowledge the contribution of all our teachers for giving a new meaning to our life. On this special day, my heart is full of gratitude because the efforts and trust you invest in ordinary students like us push us to do extraordinary tasks in our life. Dear friends, Teachers' Day is celebrated every year. So let's move on and make this day a very memorable day for all of us.